Okay, let's start. Our topic is text representation. How the text mean statements, sentences, the email, whatever you write, how this is represented in your computer systems. But every character mean no matter it's either it's a number, punctuation marks, spaces, alphabets, lowercase, uppercase, whatever, right? Every character that is input in your computer system must be represented by the binary code, including spaces, punctuation marks, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and all that, right? For that, a system is set up, a system was actually set up that was known as character set, ASCII character set. You have heard about it, right? ASCII character set means कि बेटा whenever you write a, so that is supposed to be represented in binary number. Clear? You know it, right? And the value of this a is, that is 65 in denary. डेसिमल नंबर में इसकी वैल्यू जो होती है 65. लेटर ऑन दैट इज सपोज टू बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बाइनरी, दैट इज 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 and 128. Because ASCII, the very earlier version, that is also known 7-bit code, that was a 7-bit code, means 2 की power 7, which is 128, right? This provides a character set that has only 128 different characters made up of, as I said, 26 uppercase, 26 lowercase, digits from 0 to 9, and some of the punctuation marks. ठीक है बेटा? So that was a 7-bit code. So that had a limitation. Limitation means rest of the characters in other languages. For example, Spanish, Arabic, French, और भी जितनी भी languages, Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, and all that, right? So these have different character set. They were not covered in ASCII 7 and even ASCII 8-bit character set code, right? ASCII 8 provides you 2 की power 8 256 character set, right? Character codes. Is that clear, beta? Clear? So this character set, which is ASCII 8, it had already like restrictions as well, because 256 characters, that was not enough to cover all the alphabets of all the languages in the world, right? So इसके बाद क्या हुआ है, देयर computers were programmed, began to be programmed using Unicode. It's another character set. Unicode, universal code, right? So Unicode uses 16 bits. आपको समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ. 16 bits means 2 की power 16, which makes almost 65,000 characters, right? In this way, I can say languages such as Chinese, Arabic, French, Koreans, which have many additional characters, can be stored, displayed, and shared. Shared means, beta, you need to understand this. Shared means this is my computer, for example. This is your computers. You people are using these computers, right? So if I send something on your computer, so your system should be able to recognize all the text which has been sent my computer. So it means that all these computers are using same type of character set. Same type of character set. बेटा आप समझ आया आप लोगों को? क्लियर? नो? क्या हुआ बेटा? ओके 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 राइट राइट ओके सो in the start of my lecture I told you the value of a. Most of the students they asked me, sir, do we need to remember all the codes from A to Z? नहीं बेटा ऐसे नहीं है. A, this is the uppercase letter. The denary value of A is 65. In binary, in 8-bit register, I can write this 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Right? Beta, you need to memorize this value and the lowercase letter, which is this one. बेटा इसकी वैल्यू होती है लोअर केस ए की, दैट इज 97. हाउ डू वी राइट 97? चलें मैं लेट मी राइट द फार्मूला. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. So this is 0, 64 plus 32, 96, 96 plus 1, 97. So that is 97. So let me tell you a magic. Magic means, so you can easily calculate the number if you know. For example, you know the value of D, capital D, uppercase letter D. That is, if A is 65, then B will be definitely 66, C will be 67, and D will be 68. Right? 68. Beta, if you add 32 in this, then you can get 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carries 7, 7, 3, 7 plus 3, 100. So this is the value of lowercase d. Right? नहीं समझ आई? चले मैं एक और मेथड से बताता हूँ. राइट? So this is a formula actually to find out the lowercase letter and uppercase letter. So let me tell you another thing. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 0, 64 plus 1, this is 65. Is that clear, beta? This is equal to uppercase A. So if you turn off the 6 bit or turn on the 6 bit, that will give you an uppercase value or lowercase value. For example, in this case we have 6th bit, this one. ठीक है बेटा? सो इसे इस बिट को विच इज 0 इसको मैं ऑन कर देता हूं. रेस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यूज विल बी सेम. इसको मैं एज इट इज लिखता हूं 0 सेम 1 सेम 0 सेम 0 0 0 and 1. Right? So let me invert this value. Let me make it 1. So now what is the value? This is 64 plus 32, 96, 96 plus 1, 97. Here you go. दिस इज लोअर केस लेटर ए। ठीक है। ओके ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड, मैं एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको। फॉर एग्जांपल लेट मी से के 90, चलें हम करते हैं 90, 105, आई डोंट नो ये कौन सा होता है। 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128। So let's say we have this value 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. So that is 64 plus 32 96. 96 plus 2, that is, sorry, 96 plus 8, that is 104 plus 2, it's equal to 106। ठीक है बेटा। चलें अब मुझे ये कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। सो ए इज इक्वल टू 65, बी इज इक्वल टू 66, 67 68 69 70 71 7, ओ माय गॉड, 70, गलत हो गया बेटा, सॉरी। इससे वैल्यू इज 106। So the value of lowercase a is 97, B is 98, C 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. This is J, lowercase j. 96, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is lowercase j. ठीक है बेटा। So if you convert, if you change the value of sixth bit, this is beta sixth bit, bit number 1, bit number 2, bit number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me change this bit in 0, with 0, 0, 1, 1. So that is, sorry, it should be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? अब हम चेक करते हैं व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू। 64 प्लस 8, 6, 72, 72 प्लस 2, 74, 74, this is uppercase letter J. The value of uppercase J is 74. Clear? You need to make sure 74 plus 32, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 3, 10, 106. Yes, you have lowercase value, that is J, it's 106. Uppercase value of J is, that is 90, sorry, 74. Is that clear, beta? You can have a look for this question for 1 minute, then you can ask me questions, right? Okay, beta. Now you understand what is ASCII 7-bit code, extended ASCII, which is 8-bit code, and Unicode. Now you understand Unicode can represent all languages of the world, whatever their language is. It supports many operating systems, even search engines and internet browsers globally, right? So now the problem has been resolved because now we can send the email. Or systems or computers, they are programmed to understand all these character sets. Is that clear, beta? Any question? So this is all about text representation. I hope you understand. Still, if you have question, you can comment or you can ask me. ठीक है बेटा, सी यू नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इंशाल्लाह विल डू साउंड रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ओके. ओके, थैंक यू. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.